What is up? It is DTM here, and I got the cupboard open. Can you dig it? I'm going to be making some gorilla milk. Okay, so I just made 2 batches of the coconut almond yogurt. You can Google it on YouTube and find that out. It's a video before this one. Now I've got some coconut almond yogurt here in the Vitamix. I'm going to add a little bit more of this coconut water, and I'm going to make some coconut almond milk. Okay, so let me blend that for a second real quick, and then I'm going to start juicing if someone wants to transcribe. So what I've got here is about a quart of coconut almond milk with soaked almonds, coconut water, and then I added some Life Essentials and Pure Natural Protein. Blended that up. Super chronic, okay? 2 jars of that. Amazing salad dressing, smoothies, soups. The sky's the limit. Okay, now if you want to transcribe, I've got 1 cucumber, 2 apples, a bundle of cilantro, 1 bundle of celery, and a bundle of kale. So let's blend this. We're just in the kitchen today. I'm actually having fun trying to get some of these videos done, get some of these old recipes, but new videos on the new channel. Can you dig it? Share it with your family and friends. Try to help your brother grow a little bit. So there we got. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to strain this. Can you dig it? And then that is the good stuff right there. That is the coconut almond milk. Okay? That'll bring you back to life. If you're a vegan bodybuilder, or if you're somebody who just wants energy and nourishment at the highest levels, make yourself some coconut almond milk. And if you want to take it to a whole nother level, then you make the gorilla milk. You can make the monkey milk. You just blend a banana or 2 into that, and it's monkey milk. Or you can take carrot, apple, beet, and add to this, and you can make the beauty milk. Okay? You can make the energy milk by adding half carrot juice and half coconut almond milk. And you can also take this right here and blend in banana and papaya and have a nice smoothie like that. You can also take blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries and make an antioxidant brain blaster. Again, the sky's the limit. You really want to learn how to make that coconut almond yogurt, and you really will do well if you can get the Pure Natural Protein and the Life Essentials to add to it as well. Let me show you this. Once you got all this fiber left over, you can take it and make cookies out of it. Or you can just eat it. See that fiber? It's like, oh yeah. So you take this little blopper, add some honey to it, and put it in the dehydrator for like 18 hours and make a little ginger snapper. Add some cinnamon, some ginger, whatever. I mean, you know, again, the sky is the limit, baby. I told you, a quart. Now I'm going to add the super powered, most beautiful cilantro you ever saw. I love me some cilantro. Can you dig it? This is amazing. I'm actually really, really stoked about this because this is going to be my breakfast. I already actually had a lemon ginger blast because I had a class this morning on Patreon. You should join my elite video club if you ever get a chance. Had an amazing class this morning, just free flow of consciousness, but for like 2 hours today. It used to be like 3, but then I was like, let's get this down to 90 minutes or 2 hours. So now, because that was, 3 hours is a little much. But we're going to be doing some study courses. We're going to be doing some meditation classes. We do a lot of prayers. We do a lot of jokes. We talk about the state of the world. It's a really cool place. If you're like lonely and you're like, I'm going crazy, my family's insane, the world is insane. I'm not going to say that we're not all crazy over there, because we kind of are, but everyone knows. If you're on the Elite Video Club, leave a comment down below if you're inclined. Let everybody know it's like the coolest, you know? It's really a good vibe, you know? It's like a family over there. The Elite Video Club is my family. It's the people that I trust. You know, they've been showing up, you know, for 2 years, and it's just really, really cool. It's the people that truly value me and see value in me, and that's why I'm inclined to give. I mean, over here, I'm an organic robot. At least I'm an organic robot. I'm a robot that knows he's a robot. I'm not one of these robots on the internet that doesn't know they're being a robot. I'm like, okay, I'm a robot because I have to be, you know, because the whole thing has become so like technology. There's no room for being human anymore, you know. Everything is like a 2-second attention span, artificial, pumped up, filtered, you know. I'm complaining. I know, but dude, I'm just like, because I eat the fruits and vegetables and I go outside like naked and I'm barefoot with no shirt usually, and you know, I just go out into the trees and stuff, and I go to the wilderness and I like go hiking and do wilderness fasts. And, you know, I'm still a nature boy. I'm still connected to the natural laws of life that have almost long since been left behind by the rest of humanity. But the fact is, though, is that you cannot escape the law. You must adhere to the law, you know, the laws of nature and the laws of the spirit, you know, and then you'll be all good. So while the world continually gets more and more artificial, you get more and more organic and better at pretending that you're a robot when you're actually an orgasmic, organic organism. The triple O. Can you dig it? The OG, the original. Now, we're about to do this. Can you dig it, baby? Add this in. It might be better with another apple, but I'll do a little tester. It'd be good to add. See, I can add. I'll see what I have to do here, but let's do a tester first. I got the magic cup. Can you dig it? See? Key code of love. So that calibrates everything that I drink with the highest vibrations of love, baby. This is some gorilla milk. Haven't had this in a grip. Way too long, son. Let me give it a little tester, see what we need. Perfect. Can you dig it? Praise the Lord, okay? That's all I can say about that is praise the Lord, because that is good, baby. Man, that is really good. Now, this ain't going to last the day. I'm going to put this in the fridge, but then I'm taking off to go to the mango festival where there's no mangoes, because no mangoes grew on the island this year because the weather was so funky. So it's like just the Waipa Music Festival instead of Waipa Music and Mango Festival. But there's still farmers up there and stuff, and there's going to be some ripe pineapples, and that's all I care about. I love the mangoes too. I usually get a lot of mangoes and get drunk on the mangoes. I'm about to do a mango smoothie though here in a minute. So I actually got my hands on a couple. So there actually was a few mangoes on the island. Thank God I got cool friends in high places. I'm going to make a mango smoothie next for my next video. Then I'm going to go to the Waipa Music Festival and go eat some pineapples. You got to try the gorilla milk. This is it. This is life. This is everything. You could live off this for a year and you'd be an enlightened master and better than everyone else. I think I'm going to do it. Like I said, praise the Lord. Thank you.